Are you tired of feeling sluggish and uncomfortable due to digestive issues? The solution to constipation might be simpler than you think, and it's likely already in your kitchen. For generations, traditional remedies have relied on the power of seeds soaked in water to gently and effectively restore digestive regularity. These seed waters work by harnessing the natural fiber and mucilaginous properties of common seeds, which help to hydrate the colon, soften stool, and stimulate healthy bowel movements without harsh chemicals. In this article, we'll explore 8 powerful seed waters that can provide natural relief from constipation and help you feel lighter and more comfortable. 1. Flaxseed Water. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of both soluble and insoluble fiber, making their soaked water an excellent remedy for constipation. When soaked, the soluble fiber forms a mucilaginous gel that softens the stool and adds slippery bulk, while the insoluble fiber helps push waste through the digestive tract. This 1-2 punch makes passage much easier and more comfortable. To prepare, add 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds to a large glass of water and let it soak overnight, or for at least 6 to 8 hours. In the morning, strain the gel-like water and drink it on an empty stomach. For best results, consume the water alone first, as drinking the whole seeds requires plenty of fluid to be effective. 2. Chia Seed Water. Chia seeds are renowned for their ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a thick gel. This gel hydrates the colon and adds significant soft bulk to the stool, which stimulates bowel movements and promotes regularity. Chia seeds are also a good source of soluble fiber, which supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. To make chia seed water, mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a large glass of water and stir well to prevent clumping. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes until the mixture develops a gel-like consistency. You can drink it as is, or add a squeeze of lemon juice for flavor. It's crucial to drink plenty of additional water throughout the day when consuming chia seeds. 3. Psyllium Husk Water. While technically a husk, psyllium is one of the most potent soluble fiber supplements available. When mixed with water, it forms a thick, viscous gel that adds significant bulk to the stool and softens it, making it much easier to pass. It works primarily as a bulk-forming laxative, which is considered one of the safest mechanisms for relieving constipation. To use, stir 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk into a large glass of water and drink it immediately, followed by another glass of water. It is crucial to consume it quickly and with plenty of fluid to prevent it from thickening in the throat. 4. Fennel Seed Water. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries to relieve digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. They contain compounds that have antispasmodic properties, helping to relax the muscles in the intestinal tract and ease the passage of stool. Fennel seed water acts as a gentle carminative, soothing the gut and reducing cramping. To make it, lightly crush 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and steep them in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink this aromatic tea after meals for best results. 5. Basil Seeds Water. Similar to chia seeds, basil seeds swell up and form a gelatinous coating when soaked in water. This gel adds bulk to the stool and helps it retain moisture, facilitating smoother bowel movements. Basil seeds are also known for their cooling properties in traditional medicine. To prepare, add 1 teaspoon of basil seeds to a glass of water and let them soak for 15 minutes. The seeds will develop a gelatinous layer. You can drink this as is or mix it into your favorite juice or lemon water. 6. Coriander Seed Water. Coriander seeds are a traditional remedy for a variety of digestive ailments. They help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and gastric juices, which can improve overall digestion and peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the intestines. This makes them particularly useful for constipation linked to sluggish digestion. To make coriander seed water, soak 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander seeds in a glass of water overnight. Strain and drink the water on an empty stomach in the morning. 7. Carom seeds. Water. Carom seeds are a powerful digestive aid in Ayurvedic medicine. They contain thymol, an active compound that stimulates the secretion of gastric acids, thereby improving digestion and helping to break down food more efficiently. This can relieve constipation caused by indigestion. Ajwain water also has antispasmodic properties that can ease gut cramps. Soak 1 teaspoon of carom seeds in a glass of water overnight. Strain and drink the water in the morning, or you can boil the seeds in water for 5 minutes. Strain and drink it warm for a more potent effect. 8. Fenugreek Seed Water. Fenugreek seeds are exceptionally high in soluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and promotes its movement through the colon. The mucilage from the seeds also lubricates the digestive tract, reducing strain during bowel movements. Soaking fenugreek seeds allows this beneficial gel-forming fiber to be released into the water. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. For a stronger effect, you can also chew and swallow the softened seeds. From the gel-forming power of chia and basil seeds to the digestive stimulating properties of carom and coriander seeds, you now have a powerful arsenal of natural remedies at your fingertips. These seed waters offer a gentle, traditional, and effective approach to resetting your digestive system and finding lasting relief from constipation. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate one of these waters into your daily routine and drink plenty of water throughout the day to support the fiber's work. If symptoms persist, it is always important to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying conditions. We hope this guide helps you on your journey to better gut health. Have you tried any of these seed waters before? Do you have a personal favorite or another family remedy? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below to help others in our community.